Hi, I'm John. I'm the homeowner here at Stoneacre. Plan was to build our forever home here on the family farm. So we got TDR Summers involved to build the property for us. And we chose Camel because we wanted the glazing to give us the maximum amount of light to enjoy the views around this property, but also give us the light airy feel that we were looking for.
Hi there, I'm Dan. I'm from TDR Summers Builders. Here we have a high-end one-off new build project for a local family.
So in the bedroom we went for a glazed gable with the Schüco sliding doors underneath, just to give us an opportunity to enjoy the evening sky, but also get those nice views out towards Clovelly. Downstairs we've gone for a pair of bifolds to allow us to have that inside out, so with the kitchen and the playroom, open it up, enjoy the patio right outside, and just be able to get that sort of lovely inside out space for family barbecues and parties. Elsewhere we've gone for the triple glaze, just to give us a little bit of peacefulness. Yeah, we chose Camel. They took us down to their showroom. We got to see all the products. It made it really easy to choose what we wanted. We got to see them, have a little feel, see what worked best for us before we put it into action. And the property's called Stoneacre. There's a lot of stone involved in the property, and we had a lot of slate outside, so we felt the slate door just gave that seamless integration between the two, and a real wow factor when you walk up to the property.
So we've used Camel for the windows and doors package on this project. We've got a great working relationship with them. We've used them for many years now on many number of high-end new builds that we've produced. The service that we get from Camel is excellent, always there to help. We work together, and as you can see, what we've produced behind is fantastic.
Yeah, we're very pleased with the final product. TDR Summers and Camel have done an amazing job, and we couldn't be happier.